Hey Brandon, it's Jackie. I know I'm a little late to the party, but finally getting around to doing some research, etc. First, I wanted to go ahead and look at the lawn service websites in Corpus Christi and see what we had. Kind of want to just go over a little bit of what I'm doing. So, all of these right here that you see that say ad, those are all ads. This is the GMB, so we'd probably want to get you set up in Google My Business. Gives you a location, allows people to start leaving reviews, etc. It helps in getting your website recognized as well. So this right here is called the organic section. So this is really like where websites start ranking. So I went ahead and I clicked on the first one, which is Lawn Service Corpus Christi or CC Lawn Care. So I looked at their site. I mean, it looks pretty good. So after this part, I just kind of browsed it for a little bit, and I went and put it into a site that I use that kind of does like a little website audit, sees where that website is ranked. So I went ahead and I put it in Ahrefs, and this probably all looks super foreign to you, so I'm going to do a little bit of explaining. So first off the bat, I noticed their backlinks, 1.71K. That's pretty high. That's a lot of backlinks. Not all backlinks are created equal though. So although they are highly ranked in CC, they have a bunch of random ones. I saw there's like a cooking one on here, crispy oven pulled pork. So that just means that people are just going on like random blogs, cooking blogs, etc., and adding their website in there. It does bring them in more traffic, but if we got you, say, in like landscaping blogs, etc., Yelp, directory sources, all of that, it's probably more competitive. I actually have access to the highest ranking backlinks in store online. So I'm 1.71K doesn't really faze me. The more important section to me is the organic keywords. So this is like what people type into Google to pull you up. So first thing I notice is like lawn care service. So this is a nation keyword. What that means is like someone in Oregon could type in lawn care service and this is going to come up. You don't really want that. You want buyer intent keywords, which would be lawn care Corpus Christi, lawn service Corpus Christi, landscaping Corpus Christi. However, like something I noticed is like obviously we live here, so we know all of the surrounding towns. We could be pulling in Portland, Sinton, Odom, Ingleside, Aransas, Port Aransas. We could be adding in all of those, London District, etc., Robstown. We could be adding in all of those in here. And so anyone searching in any of those areas is going to pull you up, which I think is pretty beneficial. So the lawn care portion, yeah, I feel like we could easily collaborate a site for you with lawn care and your construction stuff. So then the second thing I did was like look up fencing companies. I know you do more than fencing. You'd probably have to go over more of what all you encompass. So they are paying for an ad, as you can see, but they are also ranked #1 in the organic section. So I just went ahead and clicked on their site. They do a couple different things. Also, your site would basically, I'll show you a site in a little bit that encompasses both. So I put them into Ahrefs as well, and they only have 511 backlinks. I mean, which is a lot. 511 backlinks is a lot. Like I said, it's not all backlinks are created equal. So their keywords, they also have a ton of nationwide keywords. So you don't want that. I mean, it's not going to bring you in. Someone from Oregon isn't going to come down to Corpus and get a fence built. It just doesn't really make sense. So although it's bringing them traffic, it's not bringing them buyer intent traffic, which is what we want. So all of these with like the location attached, that's more so what we're looking for. So I think we can do that. I want to show you a website that I worked on with a friend of mine that does kind of, this is in Connecticut, but it does encompass both landscaping and construction. So it has landscaping, lawn service, etc. Of course, they're up north, so they do like a little bit of other stuff, but they do some excavating, snow removal. They do a little bit of everything. But yeah, so like this is essentially how it was. You also, I like how this website has like a lot of content on it, which is obviously because I helped work on this. We know how much content should have. A lot of people will have like 300 words on their home page, and that's not really helping them. Google recommends 1,000 to 2,000 words. So yeah, if you want to look any further, you know, we can chat some more. I just wanted to shoot you a little video over so you can see what we're looking at. Yeah, reach out to me, let me know. Thanks.